we're gonna do on this Integra. Lots of rust. Look at those guys. Rust right there. Here. We're gonna fix that up. Look at that. It's gonna fix that up. And same thing on the other side. Oh, look at that. Yeah, right there on the other side. Gonna fix this up. Somebody trying to fix it up already. They put Bondo and sand it, paint it. I guess it wasn't good enough to get the rust out, and it just made it worse. So let's see if I can do this. I did one on the Prelude. I can show you here. You can tell right here, this line all the way there. You got Bondo and painted. It's not bad. Same thing on the quarter panel. Right here, driver quarter panel. And the driver door. You see the Bondo right there. Painted it. Right here. Bondo right here. Painted it. It's not bad. So I'm gonna do exact same thing on the Integra. Okay, before I clean this up, it's gonna show you how bad this thing is. Like that. There you go. Look at that. Just get eaten. Alright, let's get to work. Alright, gonna give a little bit of clean of the dust, dirt around here. I got the bumper kinda like detached to the body. And it's time to clean all this rust off. You can tell bubbles right here on the inside of this thing. It's not bad. It's not rust metal through. It's just a surface rust. So I'm gonna clean all this. I'm gonna peel this off. Gonna clean it and finish it with bed. What's it? Undercoat, like a spray and undercoat to get a little bit of a cushion for the rock, stone, dirt to protect the metal. Alright, get you guys a closer look on the inside. You can't see it. There. It's really very bad. Yeah, it's really bad. Yeah, look at that. We can grind all this rust off, cut it here, make this thing flat, and then put a reinforcement metal. Some people will do cut a piece of 10 plates here and then cut a piece of metal, shape it, and then weld it. But I don't have a welder, so I'm gonna have to put a screen and here, cut it to shape, and then Bondo it. Same thing here. Put a screen, tack it to a shape, and then Bondo it. So let's get working. Make sure I have a protection. I got the mask on, the gloves, and the grinder. Alright, here we go. So after a couple of 45 minutes of grinding, this is what it looked like. All the soft spot of metal are gone. This is a good solid metal now that I could reinforce this. Okay, same thing here. No more rust. This is all metal up here. This is on the inside. This is the outside frame. Sorry, outside panel. Grind it off. Okay, I got this one side working. I don't know if you can hear me. I got my mask on, so don't want to be inhaling dust. So we're gonna grind all this rust off, and let's get to the bare metal. Alright guys, we're gonna put this foam filler in here so that we have the solid foundation to put Bondo in there. This is what it looked like. It's like $10 at the store. So we're gonna fill the hole, and when it's full, we're gonna sand it down. Alright guys, so I'll put a reinforcement here. This what makes this foam hold in place, and I'm gonna put Bondo on top of that after. So this is the mesh, the reinforce, makes everything stay solid and make that little shape, bend shape over here. Okay, so if you go on this side, you can tell there's a little bend here, and we're gonna fill this up with the foam. When it's dry, we're gonna shape it to the body of the vehicle. Alright, so what I'm gonna do, so that I'm gonna put this cardboard here, just a piece of cardboard on the back and then on the front, and then I'm gonna fill her up with the foam so that this is what holds everything in place. So let's just start on the back here first. So we're gonna trim it off with this little hacksaw blade. Just like that. Same thing here. It's solid, but there's a hole right there. We'll just keep working on it. Maybe we could dodge the bullet here and then see how the shape of the body will look like. Just keep working, you know. Trim as much as you can so that you have less grinding later, so that if you start grinding you're gonna have lots of dust. Yeah, see, there's a hole right there. Should be okay. Could put Bondo on that thing. The reinforcement metals right there. Just keep trimming it, the shape of the body. Okay, I'm gonna use coarse sandpaper first and then work out on the fine after. So let's start with the coarse. What I do is I just put a block like this and use this block to so that you have flat surface.